special products, product of sum and difference. So ito pala yung equation para sa product of sum and difference. A plus B times A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. Subukan natin itong dalawang example. So 3x plus y times 3x minus y. So gagamitin natin yung equation na ito para ma-solve ang dalawang binomial na ito, para makuha natin yung product. So first step, identify muna natin kung ano yung A at kung ano yung B. Ang A dito ay ang first term, 3x. Ayan. Ito yung A, 3x. At yung B, ito yung second term na y. So ayan, na-identify na natin. Isa-substitute na natin dito sa A squared minus B squared. Okay, so yung A, papalitan natin ng, wait lang, A squared minus, so yung A is equal to 3x. Kaya 3x ang ilagay natin dito. And then yung B is equal to y. Kaya dito ay y. So ito na. And then multiply natin yung exponents. So magiging 3 squared. This one is 3 squared and x squared. So yan o, minultiply natin yung exponent. May 1 kasi ito na exponent. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. Minus, so y squared. Ayan. So 3 square is equal to 9. And then, ayan, copy na lang. So 9 ito. So ito yung product. So 9x squared minus y squared. So yeah. So that is the product for this problem. Okay, next, 4x minus plus 5 times 4x minus 5. So same process. Identify muna natin ang A at ang B. So yung A, yung first term, yung 4x yan. At yung B ay ang 5. So, i-substitute natin ulit. Doon sa A squared minus B squared. So, lagyan muna natin. Minus. Ayan. So, yung A, ang value ng A is equal to 4x. So, ito ay 4x. And then, yung B, yun. B is equal to 5. Ito ay 5. So, i-multiply natin yung exponent. So, 2 times 1 equals 4 squared. And 2 times 1 equals x squared. Minus, yun. 2 times 1 equals 5 squared. So, yan. 4 squared is equal to 16. Copy natin yung x squared. Minus 5 squared is equal to 25. So, ito yung product. Ayan. So, ganun lang kasimple.